Video I will discuss the concept of real line. But before understanding the concept of real line, we need to understand the concept of line. So what is a line? Suppose this whiteboard representing a two-dimensional space. In this whiteboard, a straight line, suppose this is a straight line, this present a one-dimensional location and an unique one-dimensional location in this space. So this is another straight line, it represents another location, another one-dimensional location in this space. So this is the concept of line, and the line has the dimensional attribute which is length, because you can measure the length of a line. So this is the concept of line. Now what is real line? So real line is when you represent a straight line with the set of real numbers, then that straight line is called real line. So what is it? Suppose this is a straight line and this is the set of real number, and all of you know that the set of real number is look like this, minus infinity to plus infinity. So basically what you doing? Note one thing. This is a straight line, and on this straight line there are infinite points. Suppose this is one point, this is another point. So in this way there are infinite points on a straight line. So what we doing? We representing each point on this straight line with a real number. So we assign each point with a real number from the set of real numbers. So then this straight line become a real line. So basically we are doing an one-to-one mapping from the set of real number to a straight line, which is a set, and the points are the element of that set. So what we are doing, we assigning each point on this straight line with an unique real number from the set of real number. Okay, so this is one-to-one mapping, and the outcome of this one-to-one mapping is a real line. So from this set, suppose this is a straight line, and suppose this is the central point of this straight line. Suppose, so we may assign the real number 0 for this point, and we know that the 0 is an element of this set of real number. Similarly, we can assign this point with the real number 1, we can assign this point with real number -1. So in this way, for each point on this line, we giving one unique real number from this set. So, and the outcome of this mapping is real line. So why we are doing this? Because note one thing, this straight line is a one-dimensional location in a space. So this is a location, so we need to represent it with something, some object. Without any object you can realize that, in fact. So why we assigning this one-dimensional location with real number or with number? Because when we represent anything with a number, we can do algebra, we can do calculation. So this is the rationale behind it. We can assign this point with set of integer numbers from the set of integer, but here when we assign each point with real number, then the straight line is called real line.